Good morning, students. Myself Kiran Yadav. I am your English teacher of class 3rd. This is your new session book, English Marigold, for class 3rd. So, students, I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to start the next chapter from Unit 2, chapter number 4, Nina and the Baby Sparrows. So what is the title of this chapter number 4? Nina and the Baby Sparrows. So today we will read page number 15, 16 and 17. Okay? Shall we start? So children, first tell me one thing. Whenever there is a marriage ceremony in your home or in your relatives, tell me, how do you feel? Do you feel happy? Yes. So you will have to wear new dresses and you will be able to meet your friends, your relatives. Yes, you feel happy about it. Okay? But do you know, in this chapter we will read about a girl and name is Nina. A girl named is Snina. So she has a family and she has a marriage ceremony in her relatives. But she is not happy. She doesn't want to go there. She doesn't want to attend the wedding ceremony. Do you know why? Okay, now let's find out. So, there was great joy in Nina's house. Nina's aunt was getting married. So, here, this is a girl and her name is Nina. And her aunt was getting married. Nina, her father, mother, and little brother were all going to Delhi for a wedding. Everyone was happy except Nina. So, the girl name is Nina and her aunt is getting married, and Nina's father, mother and her brother were all going to attend the wedding in Delhi. So everyone was happy except Nina. Only Nina was not happy. Her mother took her to the market to buy a new dress. So, here her mother is asking her that we have to go to the wedding now, but Nina's else want to go. So, let's see why. So, here Nina's mother took her to her market to buy some new dresses for her. So, what color would you like? Mother asked. Then mother asked to Nina, what color would you like? I don't want a new dress, mother said Nina. So here Nina's reply that, Mom, I don't want a new dress, because he was not happy. Salwar kameez then? So here again her mother asked, तो सलवार कमीज ले लो. नीना shook her head. नीना मना कर देती है. What about those lovely white shoes you saw last week? So here again her mother asked, so please take these pair of shoes which you like last week and which you saw. I don't want those either. Thank you, mother. I don't want anything. Nina was not happy, so she replied, I don't want anything. Nina's mother was upset, but she said nothing. So here for this behavior of Nina's. So Nina's mother get upset. But she said nothing to her. She didn't say anything to her. They went back home and had lunch. Then they came to home and had lunch. After lunch, mother came and said near Nina, "What is it, child?" Then, after taking lunch, mother came to Nina's room and asked her, "What happened, children? What happened, child? Why are you behaving like this? Why are you so upset? Tell me." She asked, "Why did you say no to everything?" "What happened, Nina? Why did you say no to everything? You are not taking anything. You are not you are not buying new dresses, new shoes. So tell me what happened." Because Nina's mother also get upset. She was um, she was upset because she thinks that what happened to Nina's. She is denying everything. So move to the next page 16. "Mother, I don't want to go to the wedding." Then Nina replied to Mom, "I don't want to go there. I don't want to attend the wedding." "But why?" Mom asked. "Lekin क्यों? What happened?" Nina said, "Nothing. Nothing happened." Instead, two big tears rolled down her cheeks. She started crying. She said nothing and she started crying. Mother put her arms around Nina. "Don't cry." Then her mother said, "What happened, Nina? Don't cry." "My pet," she said, "why don't you tell me what's bothering you? Please tell me what happened to you. What is getting upset to you? Why are you getting upset? What has happened to you? What's going on in your mind? Please tell me." More tears rolled down Nina's cheeks. So again she started crying. She's crying and crying. So mother, she said, "There is a sparrow's nest on the bookshelf in my room, and there are two baby sparrows in the nest. As you can see, it's a nest, and there are two baby sparrow." So she said, "There's a sparrow's nest on the bookshelf in my room." She said, "In my room there is a nest. There are two baby sparrow in the nest." "I see," said mother. Then mother said, "Yes, I have seen. I know. They are just beginning to get their feathers, and growing up makes them so hungry. All day long they cry, cheep, cheep, asking for food." Then Nina said, "They are just beginning to get their feathers. They are just growing up and they will get their feathers. And growing up makes them so hungry. And they, every time they cry and they say, cheep, cheep. They always asking for food. They always crying for food. Because this time they are growing and it makes them to be hungry." "I see," said mother. Mother replied, "Yes, I know, I have seen. If we go, the whole place will be locked. And how will Papa and Mama sparrows feed their babies? If we go if we go to attend the marriage ceremony, the whole whole place will be locked. And how will Papa and Mama sparrow feed their babies? If the house will lock, जो baby sparrow के parents है, how will feed their babies? Okay. "Oh, Nina," cried mother, giving her a big hug. "Is that why you don't want to go to the wedding?" Then mother asked her, "Oh, Nina," and she gave her a hug. Is it that is bothering you? That's why you don't want to go to the wedding? So this is bothering you, these sparrows? But that's no problem at all. But it's not a problem, it's not a big problem, baby. We will leave the window open, we can leave the window open. Oh, can we, mother? Can we really? Oh really, mom? Can we do this? Can we do this? Can we leave the window open? Really, this is true? Yes, yes. We will remove all your things from the room and lock the door on the outside, so the house will be perfectly safe and Papa and Mama sparrows can come and go freely too. So here she said, yes, what we will do? We will remove your things from the room and the door and the lock. Then we lock the door from the outside, and so the house will be perfectly safe. After that we कोई problem नहीं होगी, and Papa and Mama sparrows can come. Then the baby sparrows parents can come there and feed them freely. Just think, Nina. Just think, Nina. जरा सोचो. While you enjoy yourself at the wedding, the baby sparrows will be getting nice and fat in their nest. Good idea, isn't it? So then, Mama said, when you when you enjoy in the wedding, the baby sparrows also enjoy there. Why? Because they can eat nice, they can eat freely there, and will be getting nice and fat in their nest. It will be good idea. Of course it's a good idea. It was a good idea. When Nina came back from the wedding, there were two plump little sparrows flying all over the room. And wasn't Nina thrilled? So it was a good idea. Yes, it was definitely a good idea. When Nina came back from the wedding, when Nina came back to the from the wedding to attend the marriage, she came there, and she saw there were two sparrows which are plump होता है fatty. So there were two plump little sparrows flying all over the room, were flying her room all over the room. As you can see there are two sparrows. You can see these are the plump baby sparrows. And wasn't Nina thrilled? And Nina was thrilled. So this is all about. Did you enjoy the story, children? And you know, Nina was a very sweet girl. She cared so much for the animals. Yes? So, children, we should always take care of animals. Children, we should always be a kind-hearted, right? Yes? That's it about this chapter, okay? Further, we will do the new words. So, here you can see new words: market, bother, problem, dress, upset, remove, wedding, lovely, plump. Okay, so that's all about today. In our next video we will do new words and questions and their answers. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.